It's a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This Wrangler is the right balance of style and purpose, and with 4 doors, it's easy for everyone to join in on the fun. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, front heated bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, leather steering wheel, power heated mirrors, streaming audio, Targa sunroof, remote engine start, and V6 engine. Road and Track puts forth it's a far better everyday vehicle, safer and more civilized, roomier and more comfortable, without sacrificing one bit of its legendary off-road ability. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Come see us today at Marin Mazda. Our staff is polite, courteous, and efficient. Plus, we have an incredible selection of pre-owned vehicles. You can find us on Blvd in San Rafael.